Hey guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to be showcasing this AI box version 2. So this one is upgraded from the last version that I had, and the performance and responsiveness is much better. So this is a pretty cool product that offers a number of different capabilities. As long as your vehicle has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto available, this device can hook into it. You can access the Play Store through the operating system and download any application that you would normally want to put on a tablet that's compatible. So it has a mirror link capability, so basically you can mirror a device directly to the screen in your car. So if you wanted to show a friend a video on your cell phone or something like that, you can do that. It also has a spot where you can plug in right here. You can plug a USB device directly into it and stream video or music or whatever you'd like. It also has an HDMI out, which is very cool because it turns this into a portable media device that you could bring with you on vacation. You could plug it into your TV in your hotel room. You could plug it into your RV or your trailer if you're traveling. Gives you a lot of flexibility. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my TV. I'll show you a quick clip of that. All right, so I got it set up to my TV, and as you can see, the remote control works. And this will provide us, because it's HDMI, it'll give us sound and video. So they do have software update support for this product. So as things change and drivers need to be updated, you can download them directly on the software. It's also compatible with 2.5 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi's, depending on the range and what type you're using. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, so that's nice as well. But let's check it out. Let's connect it to my truck and see how well it works. All right, so I got the infamous AI box here in my truck. So let me get this thing started up and get everything plugged in. So I'm going to go plug into the USB-C on the side here. And if you see on the side that button is basically if you want to switch it from wireless to wired Apple CarPlay. So we plugged it in and we're doing it wired here, and we're going to go ahead and enable it. And it automatically sensed it. So here's the display, and it looks nice and crisp and clean. So let me get in my phone here and connect the Bluetooth part of it. So it's a simple Bluetooth pairing, and it's going to get you connected. And then once you're all connected, then your AI box will work in conjunction with your CarPlay. And you can see that it's pretty easy to switch between car mode and CarPlay. So on the bottom left, and up at the top here you got your settings. You can come in here, lots of different settings available. The home screen is really easy to use. It's got all your basic stuff that you'll need, like the Bluetooth and the wireless up top, and then down on the bottom left you'll see the CarPlay in green, and then also your Android Auto. You have your settings here, and then lots of different options within the settings. You can also connect the Bluetooth so that you can receive phone calls just like you would normally. So you can receive text messages as well, and all your voice commands of Google will work, and everything connects really seamless and easily. So even for the Bluetooth, you can just come in here, you pick your phone, and then you hit connect. So it gets everything connected. It's not really working right because I'm currently using the camera and on my phone. But all in all, pretty cool device, guys.